Most small businesses depend only on social media, but when a platform changes its rules or visibility drops, growth becomes uncertain. A simple professional website gives your business a stable place online where people can learn about your work anytime. In this video, we will explore why a website matters, what it should include, and simple steps to build one that supports long term business growth. Many small businesses today rely mostly on social media pages or messaging apps to communicate with customers. While these tools can help reach people quickly, they are not fully controlled by the business owner. A professional website gives your business a stable online presence. It becomes a place where people can learn about your services, understand your values, and contact you anytime. In this video, we will explore how a simple website can support business growth and what practical steps you can take to build one. Imagine someone hears about your business from a friend. They search online to learn more, but they only find scattered information. Maybe one social profile has outdated details and another page has limited information. When information is uncertain, people may simply move on to another option. A website solves this problem by becoming the central place for your business information. It helps people quickly understand who you are, what you offer, and how to contact you. A website works like a digital storefront that stays open all day. Even when you are not available, people can explore your services, read about your business, and understand what makes it unique. Another important benefit is clarity. When your information is structured and easy to understand, people feel more confident interacting with your business. This simple improvement can make communication smoother and reduce confusion. A professional website does not need to be complicated. In fact, the most effective websites are often very simple and easy to navigate. Start with four key pages. A home page that explains what you do, a page describing your services, an about section that shares your story, and a contact page. This structure helps visitors understand your business quickly without feeling overwhelmed. Consider a small local service business. Without a website, every new customer needs to ask basic questions such as what services are available, operating hours, or how to request a consultation. With a website, many of these questions are already answered. Customers can explore information at their own pace and contact the business only when they are ready. This saves time for both the customer and the business owner. Many people today browse the internet using their phones. Because of this, it is important that your website is easy to read and navigate on smaller screens. Another helpful feature is a clear navigation menu. Visitors should be able to understand where to click within seconds. When people can easily find information and contact you, they are more likely to stay longer and learn about your business. Starting a website can feel complicated at first, but breaking the process into small steps makes it manageable. Begin by clearly defining what your business offers and who it helps. Then prepare simple descriptions of your services. After organizing the structure of your pages, you can publish your website and gradually improve it over time as your business grows. One of the most useful tips is to keep your website content simple. Avoid complex explanations and focus on helping visitors quickly understand what you offer. Another helpful practice is updating your website occasionally. Even small updates such as new examples of your work, updated contact details, or clear descriptions can make your website more helpful for visitors over time. A professional website acts as a digital home for your business. It organizes your information, helps customers understand what you do, and creates a stable place online where people can learn about your work. If you are thinking about building or improving your website, start with simple steps and focus on clarity. Over time, your website can become an important tool for communicating with customers and presenting your business professionally. Thank you very much.